It's early in the morning, everyone is still sleeping, and I'm going to make breakfast. I received a request for this. She said, can you please add some Guinean breakfast? You guys make the best fried egg. Now, I'm going to show you how we make fried eggs in Guinea, and you will be the judge. You will tell me if you think this is the best fried eggs. Okay? Let's begin. Now, the first step is to crack and beat the eggs. Here I'm going to use 3 eggs for 3 people. Next, add some sliced onion and a pinch of salt. Beat all together and set aside. The next step is to heat the oil, like at a medium heat, and then we are going to fry the eggs. Fry each side for 30 seconds until it turns golden brown. Remove. Shake very well to remove the excess oil and set aside. Now let's make our sandwich. Open your bread, add some mayonnaise, and put the egg inside. You can, if you want, add some fresh tomato, but this is optional. To make the tea, add 1 tea bag in your hot water with a little bit of sugar to your taste, and add your milk. Mix all together. That's it. It's so basic, right? That's it. Now you know how we make fried egg in Guinea. Just leave your comment below and tell me if you agree with her or if you disagree. Have a good day.